Are you missing out on the best travel hacks? Welcome back to Grace Meets Globe. Today I'm sharing some amazing airport secrets. There's a whole hidden world inside those airport walls, and once you know the secrets, you can unlock a whole new level of travel. We're talking time-saving hacks, money-saving tricks, and just generally making your airport experience way less stressful. So get ready as I dive deep into the top 10 airport secrets they don't want you to know. Let's start with security, the part of air travel everyone dreads. Long lines, removing shoes, unpacking bags. But there's a way to skip those lines. Many airports have secret security checkpoints. They're often hidden in less busy areas. Research before you go. Check the airport map for hidden checkpoints. Look for reviews or forums to confirm their use. Let's be real. Airport lounges are the ultimate travel luxury. Comfy chairs, free food, drinks on demand. But those first-class tickets and annual memberships can cost a fortune. So how do you get in on the action without breaking the bank? One of my favorite hacks is to take advantage of credit card perks. Many credit cards, especially travel rewards cards, offer complimentary lounge access as a benefit. Another option is to look for one-day lounge passes, which you can often find online or through travel booking websites. And here's a pro tip. Check if your airline has any partnerships with lounge programs. We've all been there. You're about to board a long flight and your phone is about to die. Fear not, my fellow travelers, because I'm about to let you in on a little secret, hidden charging stations. Airports often hide charging stations in the most unexpected places. Look for charging ports built into the bases of lamps, underneath benches, or even disguised as part of the airport furniture. You can also check behind those digital information kiosks. They often have USB ports hidden on the back. And here's a pro tip. Bring a portable power bank with you. Chapter 4. Baggage Claim Hacks. Escape the carousel of doom. You've finally made it through security, survived the flight, and now you're stuck at baggage claim, watching that endless carousel go round and round. One of the best hacks is to be one of the last people to board the plane. If your bag is one of the last ones on the plane, it'll be one of the first ones off. Another pro tip is to check your bag at the gate. This way, your bag will be loaded onto the plane last and taken off first, increasing your chances of getting your luggage quickly. And if you're really in a hurry, consider shipping your luggage directly to your destination. Chapter 5. Free Wi-Fi tricks. Unlock the internet for free. Airport Wi-Fi can be a total crapshoot. Sometimes it's fast and reliable, other times it's slower than a snail. But don't worry, my friends, because I'm about to share some free Wi-Fi tricks that will blow your mind. First up, the classic move. Look for unsecured networks. Another option is to take advantage of free trials. Many airport Wi-Fi providers offer free trials for a limited time. And here's a pro tip. Check if your phone plan offers free Wi-Fi hotspots. Chapter 6. Best time to fly. Outsmart the airlines and save big. The airlines are masters of using algorithms and data to maximize their profits, which means that flight prices can fluctuate wildly. But don't worry. I'm about to let you in on some insider secrets to help you outsmart the airlines and score the best deals. First up, the golden rule of flight booking. Be flexible. If you're willing to fly on weekdays or during the off-season, you'll almost always find cheaper flights. Another pro tip is to book your flights in advance, but not too far in advance. The sweet spot seems to be about 6 to 8 weeks before your trip. And here's a little-known secret. Tuesdays and Wednesdays are generally the cheapest days to fly. Airports are notorious for being expensive. From overpriced food and drinks to souvenirs that cost an arm and a leg, it's easy to blow your budget before you even step foot on the plane. But what if I told you that there are hidden discounts lurking around every corner? You just have to know where to look. One of my favorite hacks is to take advantage of airport employee discounts. Many airports have programs that offer discounts to their employees at airport restaurants, shops, and services. Another pro tip is to check for online coupons and promo codes. And here's a little known secret. Some airports have free amenities that most people don't even know about. Chapter 8. Upgrade Secrets. Score a free upgrade. Yes, really. Let's be real. Getting upgraded to first class is the ultimate travel dream. But those first class tickets can cost a fortune. So how do you increase your chances of getting a free upgrade? First up, dress to impress. Airlines often upgrade passengers who are dressed well and look presentable. Another pro tip is to be polite and friendly to the gate agents. A smile and a friendly demeanor can go a long way. And here's a little known secret. If you're traveling during a special occasion, like a birthday or anniversary, let the airline know. They might just surprise you with a free upgrade to make your trip extra special. Chapter 9. Hidden Rest Areas. Escape the airport chaos and relax. Airports can be overwhelming, especially if you have a long layover or a delayed flight. But don't worry, my friends, because I'm about to let you in on a little secret hidden rest areas. Airports often tuck away quiet little nooks and crannies where you can relax and recharge. Look for designated quiet areas, airport lounges. Even if you don't have a membership, you can sometimes pay for a day pass, or even just a secluded corner near a gate that's not too busy. And here's a pro tip. Bring along some noise-canceling headphones or earplugs. They'll help block out the airport noise and create a more peaceful atmosphere wherever you are. Chapter 10. Insider Tips from Airport Staff. Navigate like a pro with these secret hacks. It's time to tap into the ultimate source of airport wisdom, the airport staff. These are the people who know the airport inside and out, and they have all the best insider tips and tricks. One of the best ways to get insider information is to simply ask. Be polite, be respectful, and don't be afraid to strike up a conversation with gate agents, flight attendants, or even airport security personnel. Airports often make announcements about gate changes, flight delays, and other important information. So even if you're listening to music or watching a movie, make sure you have one ear open for those announcements. And there you have it, folks. 10 airport secrets they don't want you to know. But now you do. I hope these hacks help you travel smarter, faster, and cheaper on your next adventure. With a little planning and a few insider tips, you can navigate those terminals like a pro and arrive at your destination feeling refreshed and ready to explore. Thanks for watching. If you found these airport secrets helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more travel hacks and tips. Safe travels.